Websites are an ever-changing representation of your business and brand. For most small business owners, it's important they have the ability to edit their websites themselves to keep up with changes in marketing, accessibility, search engines, design, and functionality.
Now, throughout this course, Redesign and Improve Your Website, we have touched upon all the important areas you want to redesign and improve. The list of action items can seem overwhelming, but knowing what to do is the very first step to improving your online presence.
The most important steps you can take are for website performance and security. Regardless of the website platform, you can purchase a CDN, website firewall, backups, and SSL certificate from your web host. GoDaddy's website security includes all of this, plus website scanning. Scheduling backups and the majority of the hard work for performance and security is done.
Dunzo. And when it comes to search engine optimization, most website platforms provide a way to insert the information you need. Go through each page and assign a title, description, and alt image text. In addition, making updates to your content, it helps keep your pages ranking and your site fresh for your customers. You should see a significant improvement when running your website back through Google's PageSpeed Insights.
Redesign items like color changes, font changes, and functionality improvements will all depend on your website platform. These exist inside the code, and website platforms like WordPress create an easier interface, so all you do is adjust settings. Many website page builders do this as well.
Now, this is why your major action item, it might be transferring your website onto a new website platform like WordPress, or generating a new website using GoDaddy Arrow. In both of these situations, you select a new design that already includes the look and the feel you want based on your website audit.
With the addition of increased functionality such as chatbots and e-commerce stores, WordPress has continued to be a preferred platform. Since it can add plugins from a directory inside the admin dashboard, you can select a popular and trusted option and try it out with little to no knowledge of coding.
We hope this course has given you the confidence to redesign and improve your website. The evaluation inside your audits will better inform you of what you need to change and give you the basic steps to execute them. You can move forward with what you can, then reach out to a professional to complete the rest.
The important thing is to always look for ways to improve your website so that it stays current, competitive, and compliant. And the learning doesn't stop there. Click subscribe and check out more videos.